Hi guys, today we are going to do this dessert is super easy to do, but it takes about 3 hours to be ready because it needs to be freezed. The ingredients you will need are 1 condensed milk, 1 evaporated milk, 5 lemons, 1 package of Maria cookies, 2 cream cheese. The kitchen tools you will need are a blender, refractory, lemon squeezer, knife. Now I will tell the steps to make this dessert. First of all, you have to mix the 2 cream cheese, the condensed milk, evaporated milk, and the 5 lemons. Once the mix is done, you can taste the result to see if it needs or you want more lemon. This is my personal preference. Once you have the mix, you will follow the next steps. To accommodate everything, we will place a layer of cookies and then a layer of the mixture we made successively. This is the final result. For it to be ready, it only takes 3 hours, but I left it overnight because I started it very late.